here today at the Culinary Vegetable Institute in Milan, Ohio, working with Chef Jamie Simpson to learn a lot of new ways to use honey in recipes. We've got a great group of chefs here, and for the next day and a half or so, we're going to be learning all about new ways to use honey, trending applications, where honey is really making moves on the menu, and just finding new ways to inspire chefs.
I've always loved honey, and as a chef, it's one of these perfect by design natural ingredients. Coming to this summit really opened my eyes on a lot of the different finer points of honey, realizing how much honey a bee produces, understanding how many different honey sources there are, and then really getting to taste and use and understand the ingredient in a very fine, intrinsic way. It's an eye-opening experience.
Having the National Honey Board here has been a dream come true. It's been something we've wanted since the very first hive installed and the first bees we kept. We can do demonstrations in the hives. We can talk about the anatomy of a beehive, and then to take this group then and bring honey with us from the hives into a world-class kitchen, furnished with the best equipment in the world, where we can talk through applications of honey and just brainstorm. This is not a chopped challenge and nobody's going home. Everybody's here, we're learning together, we're cooking together, and we're having a lot of fun together.
I feel like I've been undereducated my entire career about honey, and so I was really eye-opening. Not even just one thing. I mean, I think just having a conversation with the chefs and seeing, and talking about how that impact is with that honey for all the foods, and just how versatile it is to be able to put into all these different cuisines. It matches up against heat and spice, and it infuses really quickly. It's so transformative. It feels like it should be in my back pocket at every meeting menu I have going forward.
One of the things that really stood out to me was how honey tries to achieve a balance between moisture and how it will sort of extract the moisture from other items and components that it's paired with. So that's something that really kind of opened my eyes and other ways that I can use and apply honey in creations and productions that we make there in Landry's.
Honey is one of the largest components in one of our most popular sauces, and so seeing different applications, different ways to season honey, flavor honey, and then utilize honey in a mass environment like ours would certainly be helpful.
If someone was ever asked, should I take the time that none of us have, especially chefs, to invest in 2 days at the Honey Summit, should I go? My answer is don't hesitate, go. Because what you're going to receive is so much more than you could even have envisioned. You're going to receive, first of all, the incredible camaraderie. I mean, we all love being with other chefs that are in the kitchen, in the trenches doing what we're doing. So there's this immediate knitting together of people that will be forever friends. But while doing that, you're getting such it's almost like an infusion of creativity and knowledge.